And then at the first hearing, that's called the detention hearing. What happens at the detention hearing in terms of the next part of the case, seeing your child? What happens?
Yeah, so the important thing to keep in mind for a parent that's going to a dependency court is that this detention hearing is not the full trial of the case where they're going to make a final decision about whether something happened or it didn't happen. It's sort of like if you go into traffic court, your initial appearance is you're saying you're not guilty. In dependency court, you're denying the petition. So you'll get paperwork that says, here's why we think that you're in dependency court. The court has to make some initial findings. They have to figure out who the parent is, usually who the father is. They do a inquiry to see if anybody has Native American ancestry. Case gets handled a little differently in that situation. And then the court is making a decision at the detention hearing to, while the case is pending, are they going to detain the minor outside of the home? And that's often a very significant decision the judge is making about, while this case is pending, do we keep the child outside the home? Do we put the child back in the home? So that's what goes on.
Yeah. And in your experience, in the vast majority of cases, they don't return the children to the parents at the detention hearing, right?
Typically not. That we do have some cases where that happens, but the vast majority that I've seen are children are taken out and kept out of the home while the case is pending.